In this video, I will show you how to change the order number format in Shopify and add a prefix or suffix to your order numbers. First, log in to your Shopify admin panel and go to Settings at the bottom left corner. From there, click on Store Details or General, depending on your dashboard version. Now look for the Order ID or Order Number Format section. This is where you can customize how your order numbers appear to your customers. To add a prefix, simply type the text you want before the order number, for example, shop dash. So your orders will look like shop-1001, shop-1002, and so on. If you want to add a suffix, you can enter text after the number, for example, -pk, which will make your order numbers look like 1001-pk. You can also combine both prefix and suffix if needed. Once you are happy with the format, click Save to apply the changes. Now, when a customer places an order, the new format will automatically be used for all future orders. So that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.